Buddy, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to get Binance API key. For getting the API key, the process is very simple. Just follow my steps to get to know about it. Go to the setting in the Binance and go and tap on more services. All you have to do is to swipe down till the last one where the others option is, and here you will see the API management. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the API page. Here you will see two options. One is create API and second one is delete API. So go and create an API, and here you have to go with the system generated or self generated depending upon your requirement. For example, right now I'm going to go with the system generated API. Label API key or name it whatever you want, name it. So for example, I'm going to name it project, and let's go. So furthermore, all you have to do is to verify your identification using two simple steps. One is authenticator app and second one is email. By doing so, your API will be generated. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.